Hello traders, and welcome to my new series regarding some backtesting sessions on gold. As a summary, my plan for the next month is to start a 200k challenge because after being funded for a while on a 50k account, now I want to take a step forward and it's time to take a bigger account. The strategy I am planning to use on this account is the one on gold that I am currently using the 5 minutes time frame and some indicators as well as order blocks and daily supports and pivots. If you have any questions regarding my indicators, please let me know in the comment section and I'm going to tell you how to find them in TradingView. This new series regarding the gold backtesting session is going to start with the January month of 2023. Here we are going to have the results for our strategy. And I plan to maybe make these backtesting sessions live, so please let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts regarding this. The standard plan for this account is to use 0.5% risk per trade, and let's start to backtest. Actually, I'm going to backtest only the period when I am currently trading, meaning that I'm going to backtest only the Europe session and a part of the US session. Now I think you can see the time, it's 1 a.m. In my time zone, meaning that the Asian session will start soon, so this is nothing for me here. So let's go to the next morning, and I am usually starting my trading day somewhere around 8 a.m. The first important thing to do every single morning is to take a look on the 4 hours time frame in order to mark some order blocks. Okay, so I'm going to switch my my chart a bit. Let's take out a bit the daily pivots and let's take a look on the price. Okay, and as you can see here, the next important order block is going to be somewhere around this level here. There was actually marked a huge candle, but I'm going to consider as an order block this inside bar formed here around this level. Okay, and also let's take a look a bit on the order blocks that are below our zone, because if the price is going to the downside, this may be an important point for us as a support for the price. Okay, so let me mark also the order block formed here. Okay, and we will take a look as well on the 1 hour time frame in order to see if we have other highs that can be important for us, but for the moment we have nothing here, so we are going to come back on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, here we are, and now I'm going to put again the daily pivots and the daily supports and resistances, because these may be some important aspects for us. Apart from the indicators you see here, we are going to use as well the RSI, because sometimes it can be helpful for us in order to determine some divergences or so. Okay, and let's take a look on the price. As you can see, the price is trying to break this third resistance of the day. Okay, and as you can see, we have a pretty impulsive reaction of the price from this previous third resistance zone of the day, and also we have here a reversal divergence, but however I will not open any reversal trade for the moment here, because we have no confluence with the previous order block or so from this zone. And as you can see, the momentum was pretty bullish lately, so it's better for us to wait for maybe a continuation buy position. Why not? And we have a risky entry here, but I would like to wait for some more confirmations, maybe to open this wanted buy position. And on the closing of this candle, actually, we can open the buy position because we have a pretty nice bullish engulfing candle, a third resistance here, a rejection from the EMAs, and also the RSI is trying to establish above the 50 line still, so the momentum is still bullish. So on the closing of this candle, I'm going to open this buy position. Oh, sorry. This buy position with the stop loss below the swing low formed by this move here. And let's see what is going to happen next. Regarding the target, actually we are not going to target anything for the moment. For this position we are going to trail it using the 21 EMA because actually my approach in this strategy is to target the important order block zone near the entry position, but in this case, as you can see, we have a pretty huge uncharted territory until the next important order block. So it's better for us to trail the position because we are going to, I am expecting some random moves around this huge imbalance level formed here. Okay, for the moment the trade is going nicely to our direction. The trade is currently into almost 3 to 1. Okay, and we already see some rejections of the price. And now we are going to move our stop loss below the 21 EMA, and we are going to wait and see what is going to happen next. As you can see, the price is trying to continue its uptrend. Let's see if we can maybe bank here some 1-to-1. It's pretty fine because after some more candles, the 21 EMA is going to be upper, so 1-to-1, let it be locked. Okay, and unfortunately the next candle got us out, but as you can see here, the price started to create this downtrend that I was talking about a few minutes previously. But still we locked here a 1-to-1, and let's add here our profit. So a 200k account, a 0.5% risk per trade, a 1-to-1 trade, so 1k US dollars win for this trade. Okay, let's see what is going to happen next. Maybe we are going to have a continuation sell position. Okay. And actually on the closing of this candle we can open our short position. Okay, I don't really like the fact that the stop loss is going to be pretty high here, almost 4.5 US dollars, but the trade is fine. We can see here a very beautiful momentum to the downside, a rejection from the EMAs, a rejection from this third resistance of the day, and now we are going to look at the price and maybe target this pivot point of the day where we would have a 4-to-1, but still we are going to trail the position if anything is going to happen during this position. Okay, let's see the reaction of the price from these zones, and as you can see here, I am pretty concerned about this level here because apart from the first resistance of the day, we can see here that we have an order block, so maybe we can close the position on this level. I want to see the reaction of the price here, and we are going to make our decision after that. But as you can see here, the price is still trying to go to the upside. So on the closing of this candle, I think it's time for us to get out of this position, to bank some profit, and to wait for maybe other opportunities for us, because again, I don't really like the fact that we have here a reversal formation of the price, also a reversal divergence formed on the low and on the lows, and overall we can see still a beautiful uptrend here. So it's better for us to stay out of this position right now. So we are going to bank 0.521 for this position. Let me add the profit, and let's wait for the next entries. Okay. As you can see, the price is pretty choppy here, but there is a clear reversal sign here, so it's better for us again to stay out of this kind of positions. Okay, and as you can see, the price is trying to push to the upside again, and let's see the reaction of the price somewhere around this level, because this is a pretty important zone formed lately on the price. Okay, and I really like this beautiful tree line strike here. I don't really know why I don't actually have this tree line strike indicator, because I am sometimes using it. So on the closing of this candle, we are going to take a pretty risky trade, but a good one. So let's open a short position here with the stop loss above this level. As you can see, this is a pretty important level of the price, and a previous push of the price to the upside was already mitigated somewhere around this level. And let's see what is going to happen. It's a pretty beautiful reaction of the price here. And now let's see the target. For the moment we have nothing to do, but we are going to react as the price does on different levels of the price. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. Again, pretty beautiful candles here, and let's see, the time is 5 p.m. still the US market session. The price is nicely going to the downside, and let's take a look on the reaction of the price somewhere around this level, because it's pretty concerning to me. Okay, if we are going to have any tree line strike here, we are going to close the position. You can target already this level, and you would have banked 6 to 1, but I really like the fact that gold is always trying to come back to its pivot point daily, and this is why I risked this zone here in order to maybe target the pivot point zone. But as you can see, the order block confluence with the first resistance zone of the day was more powerful than my presumption. So on the closing of this candle, our trade was closed on almost 4.521, and let's add the profit here. Okay, 4.5 to 1 for us is $450, and overall on the account we are already on plus 3%. Let's continue our backtesting session, and let's see what is going to happen with the price. As you can see, I was maybe closing too early my position here, but I don't really like this kind of reactions, this kind of huge tree line strikes, and I wanted to bank my profit as soon as possible. Okay, and as you can see, actually this is a pretty important level for the price, and the price started to reject this important zone here. Okay, and I think that's it with the first day of the January month. Overall, it was a pretty good day. We had these three beautiful trades, a 1-to-1, a 0.5-to-1, and a 4.5-to-1. And now I would like to know from you if you want me to continue this backtesting session series, and maybe to make these backtesting sessions live in order for us to maybe discuss on different trades and so. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because this way you are going to be notified every time we are going to post a new video. I am going to mark now the period where we stopped this backtesting session in order for me to know where to continue it in the next day. We are going to continue our backtesting session. Okay, and this was a 4.5 to 1 trade. 4.5. As you can see, the day was pretty good. The win rate was 100%. We have these 3 trades, again 3% for the day, using 0.5% risk per trade. Again, thank you all for watching. See you in our next videos, and of course, until then, trade safe and trust the process.